And hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. This is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. I don't have a particular program in mind, but this broadcast right now is basically me sending out my best wishes to you all and your families for a happy holidays and a prosperous new year. I really appreciate all of the support that you have given this channel. And I thank all of you viewers, all of the subscribers, and all of the members. And I just wanted to, you know, shout you all out because you've been great. Um, and I want to show my appreciation. And today I wanted to present you with um, a free guide from the website, and just as a thank you to all of you for your support. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the free link down in the description of this video. So feel free to reach out and just click that link, and you will receive the full guide in PDF format. And this is a guide that is a course that serves as an introduction to the world of commercial equipment, electrical circuits. Um, it will go through exploring the basics of electrical circuits and how they function. So I feel that this will be a big help to a lot of you that are new to the commercial industry, um, looking to start your own appliance repair business. This information is going to be very helpful to you. So hopefully you'll take advantage of this free offer, and go ahead and click the link down in the description of the course for the commercial equipment electrical circuits. And once again, I send my best to you all and to your families. And yeah, I wish you all the best this coming new year, and enjoy your time with your families and everything. And I wish you all happy holidays. So, you know, just continue to reach out to me if you're in need of any more information. Feel free to uh, reach out on to Mike Reed's channel as well. I would like to also present this offer to Mike Reed. I ran a little late today, so I'm not too sure if he's going on later or not. But I definitely would like to extend this free offer to his viewers as well. And please, by all means, continue to support these channels if they're especially if they're helping you out. So once again, I want to shout you all out. You've been tremendous, and I appreciate all of your support, and I look forward to continuing to provide you with some good content, some helpful content. And let me know in comments if there's any issues with uploading the free link, the free PDF guide. If you have any issues with that, just reach out to me in the community section or through email, and let me know, and I'll get you that copy. Okay. So once again, thank you all for your support. I appreciate you. We look forward to a new prosperous new year, and let's all continue to grow with what we have. Continue to build our businesses, continue to build our careers, and continue to drive forward. All right. So thank you very much, all of you. Take care and stay well.